What's going on, YouTube? It's Mr.NoFace back at it again. And currently got some BBC stickers, some of my brand stickers, and just doing a little up-to-date. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Typical Brooklyn nonsense. Irons always going off. Yeah, I'm getting these views up. It's cool. But today is more about doing a little quick unboxing, trying to get this lighting good. Let's see, it's focusing. Hey, definitely, and everybody needs a pair. I'm gonna just have to splice the other part of the video. But yeah, AirPods, always a must. Come in handy. All right, so let's get to the package. I got a special package I gotta show you guys. So this came from N, to get out of the packaging. This is a human-made. This is how every human-made shirt comes packaged. I pretty much got this shirt to go with these kicks. A little light vibe. If you're out in the city having a good time, just something swaggy for the vibes. I forgot the designer's name. I did end up purchasing this Kasubi tee. It's pretty. This came in this bag, a little fancy little dust bag. They do have a store in the city. I ordered this offline, and it was shipped from Australia, so that was kind of crazy. But this is the shirt. I should have took it out of the packaging, but I'm not trying to make too much of a long video. But you can go check it out on the site. Look for this exact shirt, and the graphic on the back is really dope also. So that's item number 2. I got a gift for my birthday from my fiance. Little packaging. Everything is all packaged well around here. This is what she got me. Little MCMT. Little button up, for those casual nights. Boom. Boom, I would forgot to take the sneakers out, but, I don't know. They could probably go with these. These are a vibe. These sneakers are pretty dope. These little rafts. I think I did an unboxing for these. I think I gotta just go back. I did so many unboxings. Or they could go with these. But then again, this is more of a casual vibe. So, I got these off of, I think I got lucky and I got this from, I can't remember. I think it was like Finish Line, or I think it was Finish Line. So, this is the last item. I got this from a dope artist dope brand called Joefreshgoods. And I haven't seen an unboxing on YouTube yet. So this is the box that your hat comes in. Right. It's pretty much the same thing on both sides of New Era. That's his logo. And I'm from New York City, so it's only right that I support my city everywhere I go. So if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it in style. And that typical beautiful blue Yankee. That's my hat size. Yes, that's my official hat size now. And yeah, this is Joefreshgoods and New Era collaboration. I haven't seen one on YouTube yet, so this possibly the first one. Yeah, so it's a vibe, man. So definitely thank you everybody for watching and supporting. I greatly appreciate everything that you guys do, and like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that's the heat corner right there again. Can't go wrong. MCM, Kasubi, Human Made, Joefreshgoods. I think they still have 2 sizes left. I think they have this size and the 7 5/8 and this Yankee hat. So hopefully you get it. All right, peace.